not really sure where I'm going to route it through, but we're going to have to figure that out.
JDM rice mode.
Yeah, I know the wire is
thick wire.
yeah, I had to do some minor modifications to this to make it work. I just had to cut this back a little bit right there, and I had to cut the gauges. I'll show you that in a sec. Yeah. I always want to disconnect your battery before you start messing with wiring. Best idea. 2 sensor now installed into the downpipe, as you guys saw. So this is our connector for it. So we're gonna have to run this through the interior. So AEM luckily gives you plenty of wiring for it.
You have an AEM gauge?
Mm-hmm.
So you can trust it.
Yeah, no sponsors here. Actually recommend this. So yeah, hopefully this can go all the way through. We're gonna try to run it through the passenger side here, because obviously that is just a disaster. So we're gonna try to run it through this guy right here. And I have not tried to do this, so we are going to experience the struggle together. Once we get this connector in here, this is actually what's going to give our air-fuel ratio gauge our reading from the wideband. Gonna be a tight fit, let me tell you.
I'll tell you what.
I'll tell you what. It's gonna be a tight fit. Well, yeah, I mean, I've heard people putting it through here. It's just that other ones have somewhere for you to actually put it through the hole, like right here, but I don't have any holes right here, so I'm gonna have to put it through that hole right there. And then we're gonna have to snake it up and around through here.
Through where? Let's figure out where it's gonna end up.
Through the fender. It would go through. You're right.
Right. Wait, where's it? Later.
Right there. That would be gravy if we can get that to work.
Done.
Huh. You know, every Mighty Car Mods video starts with jacking up your car.
Yeah.
All I'm doing is installing a gauge, so I actually do have to jack my car up to install a gauge.
First, jack your car up.
Fits beautifully. That travels. Slam left. That gets better as you go.
Is it right underneath the trans?
Set it down like a savage.
Right there.
Yeah,
can see it.
this hole is right. That hole that I was pointing to. Bring it up through there.
Yeah.
I have these zip ties, but I should definitely at least tape it to this. This is where your hood release cable runs
You
through.
can just put it on top of that hood release cable. Yeah. Or you can just braid them together.
Yeah, it actually has a hole. I might fabricate a hole.
That's the way to say it.
Your wire tuck right here through the fender.
Freaking sick.
So we've got our connector going over here. So we'll just have that over there. We'll have the connector connect there, run over there, go down there. That wire that we have going through there.
Let's do it. If we can clean up the headlight area, or not clutter the headlight area.
There. Yeah, there's already enough garbage over there. And then we'll fabricate a hole and send it.
Sick.
Sounds like a plan. We'll get it wired tucked here down underneath the pitch top. And we'll probably sit right about there. Just connect it just for grins and giggles. Make it a little bit more clean. Get it underneath some of this garbage. Okie dokie. Boom.
That was really satisfying to watch.
Yeah, did you get the entrance? Did you see me sticking it in?
No, I couldn't. It's too tight in there.
Yeah, I went in dry too.
Really?
Force it in, you know?
No oil? No lube?
No lube.
Oh wow, are you serious?
It's kind of more like a slip. The factory grommet for the factory wiring harness ran through the factory. This is the hole for the fuse box from the factory, and Daniel just ever so nicely put it up right onto the retainer that looks like it was made for accessories. Just cut a little slit in there and pushed it through.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, that looks great to me. Ignore that.
A minor problem. This is the soldering gun. This is the whole wire for it, and the wires are on that side. So there's an outlet right there. You're just gonna have to.
I have an extension cord too, but it doesn't have the third prong on it.
So you can put it up here, 3 prongs. This bad boy, only 2. So we're gonna have to back it up, drive a store over there,
It even
make this happen.
advertises features a 3-prong cord, like it's a great thing.
I know, right? Sweet. I
Like
just
it's
get
an
to
added bonus.
we get to rip off the 3rd prong.
A little bit lean. The bunnies in summer. Where I put the cord. I think I actually put the cord in the garage somewhere. But they work.
Yeah.
And they don't. I can see everything. I can't see the 140, but how often are we gonna go there?
Yeah. No, I think we'll be okay.
I can still see my whole temp gauge, my whole fuel gauge. I forgot I have a full tank of gas too.
There's just little surprises everywhere. Boost gauge. Oh yeah, that boost gauge works.
Fucking sick. I like the red. I don't need it to be amber or white or anything.
Yeah. It seems pretty accurate according to the boost gauge or the air fuel ratio.
Yeah. Obviously we have to compare it to that, but
Yeah.
and the O2 sensor's not fully warm right now. So.
That's true. It's running open loop.
The wideband itself. Wideband has to heat up too.